What is going on, everybody? Welcome back, Prime Slime, Trashy TV, Garbage Pail Kids. We're on box 4. We are on the last 8 slabs of box 4, so we're about to finish box 4, and so far it's been pretty good. Excuse me. Last 8 slabs. I'm hoping it goes out even better, so let's find out right now.
Alrighty. Last 8 slabs. Box number 4. Now we do still need our wacky package bonus card. So keeping an eye out for that. And of course keeping an eye out for Scooby-Doo's. I wouldn't mind one of the South Park plates. That'd be pretty sick too. I got the South Park Fractured Butthole game pre-ordered. It got pushed back. It was supposed to be out last month, and now it's pushed to next year. 54. But Stick of Truth I loved. Typically don't like those style games, but I love South Park and I loved the game. It was freaking awesome. And so this next one is gonna be fantastic. I'm also looking forward to, I'm a huge Jay and Silent Bob fan, and there's a Jay and Silent Bob game coming out, being made, and like the Garbage Pail Kid documentary, I pitched in towards the making of this game, $75.99. So I'm looking forward to the release of that. I believe is in 2018 or 2019, but it should be awesome, especially if you like Jay and Silent Bob. You will love the video game. All typical Jay and Silent Bob humor. And it's going to be fantastic. Couple packs left. Same as the last pack. Exactly. Exactly the same as the last pack. Except for that killer candy. Last slab, box number 4. We did not get any wacky cards. in this box. Alright, that will do it for box 4. We did get a sketch card though, so thanks for watching, and box 5 coming soon.